from €0 to 3,000 per month. So how did we do this? How can you do this? Welcome back, you're watching Aciero. Today I'm back again, and today I want to tell you the top tips to help you grow your e-commerce store revenue and improve on your traffic, sales, and all that. So today we have a case study, and most of you think it's impossible, and most of you think people are lying or it's a scam or something like that. But this is real, because the figures, we are not over exaggerating, this really happened. We took an e-commerce store that was getting some traffic but never generated sales on the website. People bought stuff but not through the website. But we implemented a few strategies and we managed to grow this website from zero to making at least €3,000 per month. So how did we do it? Now, if you have an e-commerce store and you're wondering how to improve your sales or how to even start making money, because some of you have e-commerce stores and you never generate a revenue, and the e-commerce store is just breaking your back, because you have to pay for the hosting, you have to pay for the SSL certificate, you have to pay for so many things, maybe for your own developer, maybe for the photos and images you have to put there, the text, the time, the SEO, everything you're doing, takes time, and it's not generating the money you want. So what did we do in this case? So in this case, we looked at our customers' website and we looked at what products they were selling already and looked at how we can improve them. So what we did is we doubled down on SEO. That is first, number one. Did our keyword research and then went back into our website and made our keywords stand out. We made our copy, we wrote more compelling copies of the products. We went into the images. We also made sure that the images also included the keywords we wanted to rank for. So those are two things, your images, your copy, the head, the titles. So we also went into the website's back office and we also looked at how the images were being displayed, and we saw that the images weren't really, before they didn't really show the product very well. At this time we made better images so that the images could stand out to the client, so that if the client cannot see your product, make sure that the image at least is visible enough and clear enough, and also the description should include the keywords you want to rank for, so that when someone comes to your website, they feel like you're the solution they are looking for, not shop around or not somewhere else. So that's what you have to take into consideration, because for most of you, I know you keep on saying, yeah, but why this, why that, why that? No, it's so simple. You have a website, just make sure that you're ranking for the keywords you want, because when someone is searching for that item, search intent, you need that person to find the information that they want. So, and when they find information they're looking for, they're willing to convert, because that's where you get the conversions. So most of you are looking like, yeah, I don't know how to improve my sales, I'm not getting my sales. Believe me, this happened. We grew this e-commerce store from zero. It was generating zero revenue, and now it generates around €3,000 per month, just in e-commerce, not in the store, just on online. I know it's not a lot of money like you would expect, but from 0 to 3,000, that's like not even 100% increase. That's like 1,000% increase, It's a lot of money. We didn't just increase it like 10% or something percent. We just from 0 to like boom, So what I would also recommend that you do, if you have an e-commerce website, I recommend that you also try to advertise, because most of you build this website, you spend a lot of money building websites, but then you don't market your product. You sit there and wait for people to find you. Yeah, if you've done good SEO, that's okay, but before people find you, they also search for something, and sometimes they go to your website, they forget about it. So if you retarget them, they will come back most of the time, make a conversion, because to me that's what really helped in this case, because we had like a retargeting campaign which was only like engagement campaign. We were not like displaying products because it was just an engagement campaign. So when people went to our website, maybe they went to Facebook or they went to Instagram, then they still saw our product being displayed. So they kept on reminding them that there was maybe something left in their cart, and then all of a sudden you saw that people would go to their cart and make the conversion. So other thing I would also recommend, if you are really struggling with making sales, is look at the product you're selling and the price and the target group, because maybe your product is a lot of money and maybe very small category of people are willing to buy it, because not everyone has a lot of money. So you have to also consider the type of product you're selling and the price. This product was really very good product, but we tried to price it in a way that's attracting the client to actually feel that they can afford it and also buy it. So we made it accessible to the client, so the client feels that they can access this product even though they are not a high class or they are not low class, so they feel comfortable with the price. So when you make people feel comfortable with the price, you're more likely to make a conversion. So other thing I also suggest that you do in this case, if you want to improve on your sales, is make sure that your website has payment methods that are accepted in that country where you want to make a sale, because the easier you make it for people to pay, the easier you can make that sale, and easier you can get that money into your account, and the easier you can improve your sales. So make it easy for you to get that money. So in May, this website was not generating any income. Like I said before, it was zero. And in June, we tried our strategy. We started our strategy doing SEO. We saw that it improved. We made 5 transactions. It improved to $200. This was the beginning. And later on in July, look, 52 transactions and almost $3,000. Yeah. So what you see is that it grew in 2 months, like skyrocketed. Here we just did a few ads. In July we started doing some ads, and then you saw that the conversions started to increase. So this is what I'm talking about. If you combine all the things I've told you, you do SEO, you do keyword research before you start, you write compelling titles, you write good product descriptions, you do some marketing, believe me, your website will grow, your sales will grow, your conversions will grow, and believe me, you will get that money. Although you have to be strategic with marketing, because that doesn't mean that when you spend a lot of money, you also get a lot of results. No. So be really strategic. So if you're interested in improving your e-commerce website and you don't know where to start, or you're still watching this video and you're like, I've done all those things and I don't know what to do, yeah, you can book a consultation in description link below, or you can watch more videos going to be displayed here or at the end screen, so you can get more insights on how you can improve your e-commerce store. So if you're new here, thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if you're a returning subscriber. Thanks for your support. Love you lots. See you in the next video. And mwah!